My name's Melvin Poor, and I'm the tuba player in the Ensemble Musikfabrik, and I'm here this evening to accompany two of our Composer Collider Europe students who are leading a spielBar workshop. spielBar is actually, very simply, a collection of scores. In order to play it, you do not have to have a musical instrument, you do not have to be able to read music notation. And so it's music that is available to everyone. And that is the philosophy behind these spielBar workshops. Give them the opportunity to experience new music at first hand by doing it themselves. The spielBar is part of the Composer Collider project. It's a model that other people can take and use for themselves. So we're hoping that the composers will also take this knowledge away with them, then begin to do similar things in their own area.
The idea of integration and deprofessionalize the practice of music and the music as a social process. One of the main problems of the acceptance in general from the new music is that people are expecting music and what the concept of music is. When you actually realize that music has to do with sound and the joyful feelings of sound, the expression on what sound can transmit, you are into a concept of music which allows you to enjoy any music, not only new music. For me as a professional composer, this is a very important part of my activity and also a very nice source of ideas for my other compositions where I do write scores for professional ensembles.
It's much different because the process is different. First of all, you don't compose for people you know. Then you also don't finish the piece before coming actually to the workshop. People taking part also define the shape and the form of the piece and the sound of the piece. There is no musical score. You have to find a way to bring your concept to a form where you can communicate it, and that's not in a way that you're familiar with. It's a nice sound. I was surprised because there were quite a lot of people from different countries. For somebody who doesn't know these languages, the sonic result is completely detached from the meaning of the languages. And this is not what I had in mind. When I write a piece that involves language, I think in my own native language.